Hey peeps, welcome back to Sunel TV. So we are back on the Harper booster and the boat. I'll show you a few things on the boat and I'll show you things on the booster. Let's have a look, eh? Alright, so we end up getting a radiator, just a second-hand one. The ones I normally get is off of eBay, just the Civic ones, but actually someone actually had one. This one's actually been custom made, so yeah, it's got a couple of different fittings on it, so which is pretty awesome. And yeah, I need to cut obviously the filler neck off and all that stuff, so I need to modify it anyway. So yeah, let's cut. What we need to cut off is the filler neck and the two outlets, the top piece, and these pieces on the side, the actual to bolt it in. And yeah, well I think I need to weld up on the side here. Pretty much this is exactly the same as the booster, and I'm pretty much just gonna mount it as exactly the same as the booster. I like the way it is on the booster, so I think with that same look on the radiator there, with when it's from the rear, they pretty much gonna look alike at the back. Obviously, just when it comes to the front, they're a bit different. So just give that the little tiny bit of the same look there, and I think that will actually really look really good actually. So yeah, we can cut some stuff off now, and yeah, we'll go from there. Let's get to it. Alright, so yeah, fittings are all on. Also the mounting points are all on. This is exactly the same as how I've got it set up as the booster. Dash 12 there, that'll be another dash 12. I'll go grab one tomorrow. And I welded up the filler neck. This one here is not gonna actually be filling up from here. As you see, when I've made it up on the top of, right up top there, that's where the actual filler neck's gonna be on this one. This because the engine's up a lot higher than what the other one is. Yeah, and this come up well, so I'm so happy I got this. Is really good price. I just got to get a 12-inch thermo fan for it, make up a shroud for it, and then we'll tack that as well. And yeah, we'll call this a radiator. So we can actually get this mounted as well. So what I was thinking, I'll take you over to the half booster, is we're going to mount it exactly the same as the normal booster. So have a look over here. So on this one here, I've got a bar going right over, and that's how exactly I want to finish this one as well. So I'll bar from there all the way over to that side there, and then actually mount them off of those poles there. So that's one thing left we've got to do on the chassis. Get that done, and then we can actually mount the radiator. Still trying to find a axle for this thing. There's a couple, but they're not here, so just not sure about shipping wise sort of thing, so we'll try to work something out. But apart from that, guys, everything else is looking pretty sweet. So yeah, everything else is coming up well, so I'm really happy. So all right peeps, so yeah, we have actually picked up a cheap turbocharger for the PC. So I think it's like 70 bucks or something like that. Of a truck, T4 flange, exactly what we wanted. As I said, I really did not want to get a new one. I didn't want to stuff up and something like that. So, you know, like I would have gone something a lot different, but it's cheap. It's going to do the job. I'm just going to make the turbo spin, you know. So it still looks decent. So yeah, here we are. Yeah, T4 flange. Even got a V-bend rear, as most trucks do anyway. This would be a diesel turbocharger. Yeah, it'll do the job, guys. So it's got a split ring in the front. I've just got to just undo that, and so I can twist the housing. Yeah, but apart from that, I just want to clean up the top. I just want to get rid of the Switzer, and I'll just like getting rid of all this stuff here as well. So the old goal was to make this spin. So that's what we were trying to do. And a reason why we know this is a diesel turbocharger is just how small the actual inlet is. They are tiny. So yeah, what we're gonna do is take the rear off, and we are gonna mount something, just either a motor or I'm thinking a silent fan or something just on it. I just want something silent, so I'll see what sort of motors we can get. But as I said though, it needs to be silent. So the worst thing about the brushless motors is they make that humming noise when you give them a slow current. So yeah, we can suss something out anyway. So yeah, let's clean it up. And I was going to polish it. I do really want to polish it, but because it's all green, it's easy just to scuff it and just paint it black. So unfortunately, I know that's what I do a lot, guys. But yeah, I'm not going to sit here for hours and hours trying to get all this green off, I tell you. So yeah, unfortunately, I don't know. I'll give it a try. I'll see if we can. I know I'm going to have to clean a lot of it off anyway. But if I can polish it, it would look a lot better. Yeah, we'll see what we can do anyway. I can paint the center core and the rear housing black and try to polish this front. But yeah, we'll give it a shot. So yeah, let's get down. As I said, we'll clean off that Schwartz a bit, and yeah, I really want to polish it, and yeah, just so it's a standout on the actual motor itself, so it's not so dark. Yeah, so let's get it happening. Alright peeps, there we go. Turbo's all polished up. Still got a little tiny bit of green left in there, but I'll clean that up afterwards. But yeah, come up pretty well. Polished up the clamp and painted everything just on the heat black. And as you can see there, I've just got a welded a rod coming out so we can turn the blade. So I'll hook up a motor to that, and that'll be our turbo. So everything has come up really well, so really happy with it. So yeah, T4 flange, exactly what I wanted. Yeah, really come up really good. So pretty much the finished product of all the bolt-ons. I'm not going to do a intercooler or anything as yet. No need to do that. Rock covers are finished, obviously with the bracket now. You've seen that on the last one on the intake manifold, and obviously radiator is all done as well with the 2 fans on the back. Yeah, so all we got left is to put that motor on the shaft and we can spin the turbo, and then it's now just to buy all the PC parts. So that's the expensive part. So we got just got to get a pump and a couple other things to go. So yeah, that's yeah, really happy with how it's come up. All right, peeps. So in that case, obviously I'll finish up the video. So thank you very much, guys, for liking and subscribing. Channel is building really good, and hopefully you're liking the content. Have some awesome more stuff coming out very soon, as in like the boat and that sort of stuff. So keep watch. PC build is pretty much done, as in what you're going to see from the outside looks. I'm really liking it. Got a couple of things left on it. I'm going to put it on a small hold at the moment, because I do have to get some expensive stuff for it, and it's not priority right now. I do have a computer to use, but yeah, we just got to get some drives and obviously a graphics card. So yeah, you'll use PC, guys. If you yeah, anything you guys suggest, please let me know. I was heading towards a 2080 Ti, but yeah, let me know in the comments of what you guys recommend. And yeah, we'll definitely work something out. But yeah, on that note, guys, thanks very much. Please go like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. See you, peeps.